Let's bring in former FBI special agent and ABC News contributor Brad Garrett for more on this. Brad, ABC News obtained this law enforcement bulletin raising concerns that right-wing extremists have planned to pose as law enforcement. What do you do in a case like that?
Well, it's going to be extremely difficult, and that's why vetting becomes crucial. Think about, though, just the inauguration at the Capitol. My sense would be that other than Secret Service personnel, nobody's really going to have close proximity to the actual inauguration. In other words, the National Guard, other law enforcement agencies will be a distance away. But there is always a concern, Diane, if you can flip one person who's willing to sacrifice themselves to take that ultimate shot. I mean, that's probably the biggest concern in reality on Wednesday, based on the extreme level of security here in D.C.
And there's also concern about so-called lone wolf attacks. Is it harder to detect and prevent an attack when someone's acting alone?
It's always more difficult, only because typically lone wolf attackers don't share their information as much. They're not specific about what they're going to attack. If they're super young, they tend to do it more like in school shooters. But I think the big concern here is if a member of an extremist group like the Proud Boys, the Oath Keepers, QAnon, etc., decide that individuals will take this on themselves and they don't really do any social media chatter about it, or they don't really talk to people about it. I mean, that's a real problem. So that's why you see on some levels this very, very big presence of both military and law enforcement.
And do you expect we will see that big presence in military and law enforcement in D.C. and state capitals? Do you think we'll see that after the inauguration, too?
I do, but Diane, my biggest concern is how do you sustain that level of security? I mean, you can't keep National Guardsmen here indefinitely. They all have jobs. When you go to smaller jurisdictions and state capitals, they don't have the level or the manpower, the level where I'm talking about people available to come and actually work at a capitol to guard it. And so, bad guys can wait. They can have patience. They'll wait for the security to go down where the target becomes more soft. And so we'll have to see. But that's my big concern, is longevity here. Can you really sustain this level of security indefinitely? And the answer is no.
All right, Brad Garrett, thank you, as always, for your analysis. We appreciate it.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.